Hello everyone, good morning. I'm Rosemary Liwayan, 44, happily married and got 5 children. I have also 7 siblings. Thank you very much for the opportunity to share with you a short video here regarding my experiences. I graduated commerce in the Philippines, majoring in finance. I worked in the Philippines for 1 year and 7 months, but unfortunately, the salaries there is not enough for the family. I decided to go to Taiwan to work abroad. I went there to stay with a family of 3 children, mother and father. I worked them smoothly. I worked there smoothly in 5 years until I finished my contract. I went back to the Philippines. I stayed there for how many years also and I go to abroad again. I went to Malaysia for 3 years. I worked there with a family of mother, father, 3 children, grandma and grandfather. But I have a one Indonesian there and one Malaysian. I was entitled to take care for the children. The other one is for cooking and the other one is for cleaning. I finished my contract there in 3 years. I decided to go home again. After I went to the Philippines, I stayed there for how many years? I went back again to Cyprus. I worked in Cyprus for 8 years. But before I went to Cyprus, my employer is pregnant. And I went there, I have just 2 months, and then my madam gave birth to a boy. And now there are 3 children. I take care of them until I finish 8 years. I decided to go home and stay in the Philippines for 4 months and I came here in Hong Kong. I came here in Hong Kong in Apleichao for a family of 3 children. Two boy twins, 6 years old and 12 years old. I worked there with another helper. I am entitled with the two twins and she was entitled with the girl. And the cleaning and the other household we shared together. I finished my contract there in 2 years. And recently I worked in a family of four in Clearwater Bay. But unfortunately they get me off when I am 9 months. Thank you very much. And if you want to elaborate in details, I am ready to interview with you face to face. Thank you very much and God bless.